You're welcome to Math Easy Peasy, and in today's class we shall be looking at factors of numbers, finding factors of numbers. Now the first question that may come to your mind, why do we need to factorize numbers? Factorization of numbers make solving mathematical equation very easy. When you are trying to simplify mathematical equation and you are conversant with factorization of number, you will find it easy peasy to simplify such equations. So we shall be looking at factors of numbers. And now, what is a factor? A factor of a number is the number that can divide that number evenly. That means any number that can divide another number without a remainder is a factor of the number that it can divide. Now, when you know your multiplication table, you agree with me that division of numbers will be very easy. In other words, when you know your multiplication table, you may know two numbers when multiplied will give you a particular number. Any two numbers multiplied to get a particular number are all factors of that number that is gotten. Now, when looking at factors of numbers, one thing we must understand is that 1 is a factor of all the numbers, and the number is also a factor of itself. So we're going to look at our first example for today, and our example is on the board. It simply reads, find the factors of 24. Find the factors of 24. Let's go straight to our solution. Now, when finding the factors of 24, I'm going to use a simple method of factorizing 24. So we have 24, and we can simply state it as 1. As I said earlier, 1 is a factor of all the numbers. So, and the number is also a factor of itself. So 1 times 24 gives me 24. The second number thing I'm going to look at, I'm going to check if 2 can divide 24. Yes. If you know your multiplication table, you agree with me that 24 can be divided by 2. So the next thing for me to do is to use 2 to times, what will I get? That is 12. Now we'll go further. Can 3 divide 24? My answer will be what? Yes, that's easy. So we'll use 3 times what? Gives me 24, which is 3 times what? 8. And next point of call, let's check if 4 can go. 4 can go. We'll say 4 times 6. That's easy peasy. Now we'll check for the next number, which is 5. Can 5 divide 24? No. Now we'll go to the next number. The next number after 5 is 6. 6 times what give me 24? 6 times 4. Wow! I already have 6 on the board. Whenever you discover that the number you are intending to use, the next number you want to use, is already on the other side of your calculation, just stop. That is the end of the factors of that number. So in that case, you simply draw a line that will make you understand that the factors begin from this one down there and moves up this way. I will show you what this means. Now let's go ahead. With this, we go straight and we write it out. Factors of 24 will be equal to, as the line moves, starting from this one, the next it will be 2, followed by what? 3. And I have my 4. We move to the other side, which is 6. We also have 8. And we also have what? 12. And the last number there is the number we are looking for its factor, which is also what? 24. So the factors of 24 can be written out easily like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. So 24 has how many factors? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 24 has 8 factors.